In the fast-paced world of today, maintaining a healthy lifestyle often requires smart choices and efficient tools. This NutriBullet Pro Plus 1200-watt personal blender stands out as a powerful ally in this endeavor, combining robust performance with user-friendly features to help you achieve your health goals. If you're searching for a blender that delivers on power, convenience, and versatility, this detailed review will explain why the NutriBullet Pro Plus could be the perfect addition to your kitchen. At the core of the NutriBullet Pro Plus is its impressive 1200-watt motor, which is twice as powerful as the original NutriBullet. This enhanced power translates into exceptional blending capability. Whether you're tackling tough ingredients like fresh turmeric root, leafy kale, or seeds, this blender can handle them with ease. The motor's high efficiency ensures that your ingredients are pulverized to a fine, nutrient-rich consistency, unlocking the full potential of your fruits and vegetables. Pulse function is a game-changer for those who prefer precise control over their blends. This feature allows you to achieve the perfect texture for various recipes, from chunky salsas to silky smoothies. The hands-free 60-second blend cycle ensures that you get consistent results every time without needing to monitor the blending process constantly. One of the standout features of the NutriBullet Pro Plus is its user-friendly design. The blender's intuitive interface makes it accessible for both seasoned smoothie makers and beginners alike. With just a push and twist action, you can quickly start blending, making it easy to integrate into your daily routine. For those always on the go, the to-go lid is a thoughtful addition. It allows you to take your nutritious creations with you, whether you're heading to work, the gym, or running errands. The resealable lid ensures that your blend stays fresh and secure during transport, offering convenience and versatility. Cleaning up after blending can often be a hassle, but the NutriBullet Pro Plus simplifies this process. The blades and cups are designed for easy maintenance. Simply twist off the blades, rinse them with soap and water, and place the cups on the top rack of your dishwasher. This straightforward cleanup process means you can spend more time enjoying your healthy blends and less time scrubbing. The blender's compact design also means it doesn't take up much counter space, making it a practical choice for any kitchen, whether large or small. Its sleek appearance and modern design add a touch of style to your countertop, while offering powerful functionality. The inclusion of a recipe book is particularly beneficial for those looking to explore new ways to incorporate healthy ingredients into their diet. From smoothie ideas to nutrient-packed recipes, the guide helps you make the most of your blender. Why you'll love the NutriBullet Pro Plus. The NutriBullet Pro Plus 1200-watt personal blender offers a blend of power, convenience, and versatility that makes it a standout choice in the crowded market of personal blenders. Its high-performance motor ensures that you get the most out of your ingredients, while the pulse function provides control over texture. To-go lid and easy cleanup add practicality to the mix, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a health enthusiast, a busy professional, or someone who simply enjoys making delicious, nutrient-rich blends, the NutriBullet Pro Plus delivers on all fronts. Its combination of power and user-friendly features makes it a reliable tool for daily use, helping you maintain a healthy lifestyle with minimal effort. Do you enjoyed this review? Be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.